In this problem, we're looking for the first partial derivatives of the function x divided by y. All right, so to start off with, when we have a function like this and we're looking for partial derivatives because there are two variables we're working with, x and y, we're actually going to rewrite it, if we can, as a multiplication problem. This is not always going to be the case, but in here we can write this as x times y inverse. So remember, any value in the denominator can be brought up to the numerator and just put a -1 up top. So we are looking for our partial derivative with respect to x, and we are looking for a partial derivative with respect to y. So those are the two things that we want to work with. And our rule is when we're taking partial derivatives, we're going to treat the other variable as a constant. That means we're going to just pretend like it's a fixed number. And we're not going to do much with it when we take our derivatives. So let's start off with our first partial derivative. We're looking at partial of our function f with respect to x. I'm going to rewrite this once more. Partial with respect to x of the function x times y to the -1. So in this case, we're taking the derivative with respect to x, which means our other variable, our y, is going to be a constant. There we go. And when we do that, derivative of x is just 1. And our y inverse comes along for the ride. We're going to rewrite that as 1 divided by y. So there is our first partial derivative that we are looking for. The second partial derivative is with respect to y. And again, we'll just rewrite it. It's really nice if you can put your equation in there so that you know exactly what you are taking your derivative of. And in this case, we're taking the derivative with respect to y, so x is going to be our constant. All right, so x comes along for the ride, and our y value, we're going to take our power down, and then we are subtract 1 to get our new power. And let's just rewrite that -1 and the x. Let's put those both up top, and let's throw our y to the -2. Let's just throw that in our denominator. It's a much cleaner finish for this problem. All right, there we go. And that is how we find partial derivatives. Thanks for listening.